they've given me a lift. Thank you, I did myself. You've got caterpillars. I get to blame Elizabeth for bringing me dodgy roses. But you see, double standards because they're running the whole thing on a fire everything. I'm sure he will. Rachel is very cunning like that. He'll find somebody nice. Hello, everybody. I've come to apologise about the candles. They're not what I ordered. I ordered a silver candelabra with pink candles, you know, to set off the hours, natural roses. But they've given me a lecture. A lecture, I tell you. We're not allowed to fire. Which is very double standard. They're running the engine on fire, aren't they? Absolutely. Absolutely. Much worse. Much more fire than a little can. Shame on them. Shame.